In 2024, KOSPET introduces the Tank M3 Ultra GPS smartwatch, a cutting-edge device designed for both men and women. Available on Aliexpress, this smartwatch is poised to redefine digital fitness. With its robust features, stylish design, and advanced technology, the KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra boasts a vibrant AMOLED display with always-on display-out functionality. The AMOLED technology ensures vivid colors and deep blacks, providing an unparalleled visual experience. Whether you're checking the time, reading notifications, or monitoring your fitness stats, the display remains crisp and clear even in bright sunlight. Equipped with a 480 mAh battery, the Tank M3 Ultra offers extended usage without frequent charging. This impressive battery life ensures that the smartwatch can keep up with your busy lifestyle, providing continuous performance for days on a single charge. The Tank M3 Ultra is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its rugged design ensures durability, making it suitable for outdoor adventures and everyday wear. The smartwatch is water-resistant, allowing you to wear it in various environments without worrying. The 2024 original KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra GPS smartwatch from Aliexpress is a versatile and feature-rich device that caters to both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users. With its advanced technology, durable design, and comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities, it stands out as a premier choice in the smartwatch market. Stay connected, stay fit, and stay ahead with the KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra.